Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how you can easily migrate your mailbox from Office to Gmail. So let's have a look at your Office mailbox first. This example contains emails, sent messages, folders, subfolders, and much more. We now want to migrate all this data into your Gmail account. This test account is empty, but it doesn't matter if your Gmail address already contains emails. So let's start the email migration. Open MailJerry, which you can download at mailjerry.com/download. Click on Start Your Migration. In the section Existing Address, select Microsoft Office as account type. Enter your email address as username and click on Connect with Microsoft Account. Authenticate with your Microsoft account by following the steps shown in the sign-in pop-up. How you sign in depends on how your account is configured, so the steps may vary to what we're showing here. After connecting your Office account, switch to the section called New Address. Here, select Gmail as account type. Enter your Gmail address as username and click on Connect with Google Account. Again, follow the steps shown in the sign-in pop-up to log in with your Gmail account. Grant access to your mailbox by clicking on Continue. As soon as you're logged into both accounts, click on Check Settings. MailJerry now connects with both of your mail servers and performs a health check for both mailboxes. If you're migrating a very large mailbox, this process might take some time. After the check finished, you're forwarded to the summary. On this page, you can review how many emails, folders, and how much mailbox data is going to be migrated from Office to Gmail. If everything looks good, click on Start Your Migration. MailJerry now migrates your email data. Simply wait until the process finished. Of course, you can close the app in the meantime and check back later, or simply start to migrate the next account. If you'd like to monitor what's happening during the migration, open the migration details to get a detailed status update. After your migration finished, you can open the migration report by clicking on View Migration Details. Here, you can download a log file of your migration and review the migration details. If you'd like to keep your accounts synced, enable the autosync to regularly perform a Delta migration. Of course, you can sync your accounts anytime by clicking on Sync Now, which will immediately move newly received messages from your old into your new mailbox. So if you now open your Gmail account and refresh your mailbox, you'll see that all mailbox data was copied into your Gmail account. Congratulations! You successfully migrated your email data from Office to Gmail.